Hello students, welcome back to the online class of English grammar. I hope you all are well, taking care of yourselves and your family also. Good. So, I Rakesh, your English teacher. In my previous video, I explained you about the nouns, different type of nouns and their gender, and I gave some exercise as a homework. Then also I gave 10 words from each gender. That means you have to copy in your note by yourself. So today we will discuss the previous exercises, that means what I gave you as a homework, including 2 more exercises that I left. So let's start the first exercise, number 1. So here I hope everyone did. Just check it. If you not did, then write down the answers. So here written, sort the nouns into the table given below. So here you can see the names some written: Prakash, animal; Uma, Pihan; man, cookie. So what you will do, here 3 column given. That one is your proper noun, one section given proper noun, second section given common noun, and the third section given gender. And what already given to you? Gender already given. So what you have to do? You have to find out the proper noun and the common noun. So here already one given to you, Prakash. Prakash refers to male person. As I said you, masculine gender refers to male, feminine gender refers to female, neutral gender refers to non-living things, and common gender refers to both male and female. I recalled you. Now move. So after Prakash, then I will come to the animal. Animal, what, where I will put? Animal I will put in your common noun, that means common gender, because I don't know either male animal or female animal, so I can put common gender. Now Uma is the name of a girl, so it refers to female, so we can write here feminine gender part. So proper noun and Uma also particular name. I think I said you proper noun, the noun refers to particular person, place, animal or thing. So here Uma is name of a girl, and I said you proper noun starts from capital letter. You can see here Uma written in capital letter, so you can put in the proper noun section, second number. Similarly Uma, then Pihan. Pihan is the feminine gender, peacock is the male, that means masculine gender, and feminine gender is your Pihan. So we can write in a Pihan is a feminine gender. Now man, as you know, men are common, that means man refers to masculine, but man coming under common noun. Everyday think this one, they are coming in masculine gender, no doubt, but they are coming, the types of noun that they are coming in common noun. Then cookie, you can know, even that is your neutral gender, non-living things. I hope understood. So write down. Now we will move the second exercise. Classify the given nouns according to their gender. So you can see Saffordness, Saffordis, gentleman, reporter, calf, stick, emperor, then student, bride. So what you will do? You will identify all the genders according to the given section. That means masculine given, feminine given, common given, neutral given. So what you will do? Masculine part. If I will go to the masculine part, as I said you, refer to all male. So here who will come under the male section? First one will come gentleman, and second one is your emperor. I wrote already, you can check. Second one feminine, Saffordis, then bride. Safford feminine, that is your Saffordis, then bride. groom, the opposite, that means masculine gender, groom. Now come to the common. Student, maybe boy, maybe girl, so you can write as a common gender. Reporter, maybe male reporter, maybe female reporter, so you can write as a common gender, that is your reporter. Now neuter, cave, non-living things, you can put in neuter gender. Stick, also non-living things, so you can keep in neuter gender. Okay. Now move to the third number. Complete the sentences using the correct collective nouns. So I said you collective noun means a group of people or things. So I gave my mother a bouquet of flower. That means when I said in before class also, when we are welcoming to anyone, that time we are giving something that filled with flower, that is called bouquet. So similar second number, I saw a dash of ants in my garden. So what I saw? A colony. I saw a colony of ants. Jack wanted to meet my dash. Jack wanted to meet my family. Kunal saw a dash of lions on television. Kunal saw a fried. So fourth number answer is your fried. Now fifth number, the days of ships moored at the shore. Now the answer that fleet. The fleet of ships. And the last one, the days of dancers performed well. So when the dancers are coming, then they are making a troupe. So answer is your troupe. Okay, I hope you understood. Just check if you completed your task, just to check if any errors are there, then you rectify it. Now the fourth number, that is exercise 4, that some things are given here, that objects are given, match the objects to be to the material that they are made of. That means here some objects are given and some materials are given. So what you will do, just to match. Plastic, water bottle already given to you. Wool, that is sweater. Iron, your nail. Glass, that is your glass, water glass, whatever what we are drinking. Marble, you can see the statue. And paper, you can see the bag. These all are the answers. Now the main part, that is your exercise 5. Here you have to read the passage, and what you have to do, you have to underline the noun. So read the heading, read the passage given below and underline the nouns, then answer the question. So what happened here, first you will read the passage, then after what you will do, you will underline all the nouns, not only proper, not only common, all the nouns you have to underline. Then after some question, so that means you have to attend some answers. You can see some question asked here. So Arsa, Raj and Lena were good friends. They made a great team. They were polite to their parents and helped the other little boys and girls in their school. They also shared their toys. Raj had an engine made of wood that Lena had gifted him. Ars had gifted Lena a watch that had a strap made of leather. So this one is the passage. Now what we have to do? We have to underline. What? Proper noun you will underline, common noun you will underline, all proper, common, collective, material. This is all you have to underline. Also the gender. So Arsa, Raj, Lena. These are the nouns. So first underline. Then after, we are good friends. I said you friends is a what? Common you can say. Maybe male, maybe boy is there, girl is there. Now they made a great team. Team means a group of players. So a team is a collective noun. Polite, their parents, father or mother. I said you parents. Then boys, girls, then school. See, as for My instruction just to underline the words. So I said you parents, boys, girls, school, toys, Raj already you did that, engine, wood, then watch, strap, leather. Now you will say sirs and Lena, that already you underlined at the top. Okay, so I hope everyone did. Now we will move to the question section. Write a masculine proper noun from the passage. Already this one, this task already, this answer already given to you. Raj written. Masculine means refer to male. In this sentence only one male is there, that is the, and that also proper noun. I said you see the names are written in capital letter, so Raj is the answer. Second, write a collective noun from the team, from the passage. So what is the collective noun? Collective noun is your team. As I said you, a group of players are formed a team, that is called collective noun. So here the second answer is your team. You can see. Write a common gender noun from the passage. See, common gender means maybe male, maybe female. I said you male or female, that refer to common gender. So here so many are there, whatever you can write. Okay, that means if you will write, because you are asking a but you have more. So what you will do, as I wrote here, friends comma parents, you can write either friends or parents. Not mandatory you have to write two, because the question asked here, write a common gender, only one. So you can write either friends or parents. Okay, at least one. I wrote here because that means if I will write friends, that means you will ask, so that means why parents will not come. So I wrote both. So what you will do, you just write only one. Now write a feminine common noun from the passage. Feminine, that means refer to girl, and that also common. So only one is there, that is the girls. Okay. Now write a material noun from the passage. Material means I said you the substances. Okay, if I will say chair is made of wood or chair is made of plastic, I can write anything. So that are called materials. So here that what given, engine made of wood. So wood is your material noun. Second, the watch strap is made of leather. Strap means in between the dial is what we are calling belt. Okay, the dial is there, both sides to belts type there when we are using, that means we are wearing on our wrist. So that is called strap. So strap is made of leather. So answer is your wood and leather. You can write any one. As I said you, A asking means either you write wood or leather, both are correct. Okay, so that depend upon you, what you understood and how can you attend. Now for F number, write a neuter gender noun from the passage. Neuter means non-living thing. See, I wrote so many examples. So what you will do, at least you write any one, because A asking you, I'll always read what written there. A, yeah, more, anything written. If written more, then you can write all, but if written A, then means only one. I wrote school, you can write toy, and on any friend you can he or she can write engine, watch or strap, anything anyone can write. Okay, so what you will do, you write according to your wish. If you like to write toy, okay. If you like to write school, that also okay. Any one among them, any one you can write, that all answers are correct. Okay, I wrote to show you, because you have confusion, maybe you have confusion, this one why sir wrote, why not written that answer, that also correct. So I wrote all, whatever you like, which one you like, that you can write. Hope understood. Now move to the last exercise, that is exercise 6. Same question. Read the passage given below and underline the nouns Then answer the questions. I like visiting zoos and natural parks. I go there with my uncle and cousin last Wednesday. We had gone to an animal shelter. We met a dog named Bruno and a goose named Lucy. Bruno had a collar mat of silk around his neck. There was also a litter of kittens at the shelter. So this is the passage. You read? Now you underline what all the nouns, that is your task. You try to underline all the nouns. Now come to the exercise. First one already given. Feminine proper noun. Write a feminine proper noun. Feminine, I said, you refer to female, and also proper, that means particular. So here what written? Goose written Lucy. So the answer is your Lucy. Write a common gender noun. Common means male female. So answer, either you can write cousin or you can write kittens. Okay, cousin if you write correct, if you want to write kittens also correct. Then write a material noun from the passage. So here say Bruno had a collar made of silk. Silk is a noun and that is your material noun. So answer is your silk. I wrote already, you check. Write a masculine common noun from the passage. Masculine refer to male. First one is your uncle, and the second masculine you have in your passage, that is your dog. Either any one you can write. Uncle you can write, dog you can write. Write a collective noun from the passage. So collective noun, as I said, group of people or things. So here that you can see there was a litter of kittens at the shelter. Okay, so litter is your collective noun. Write a neuter gender proper noun from the passage. As I said you before class, month, day, any one we can write as a neuter. So here Wednesday is the neuter gender. Okay, Wednesday already I said you. Now I have a task for you. This one you will write in your English copy. Okay, so see the task. 10 words from proper noun. Before class I gave 4 gender, that means 10 for masculine, 10 from feminine, 10 from common and 10 for neuter I gave, and this time same 10 from proper noun, 10 from common, 10 from collective noun and 10 for material noun. Okay, so put the date, keep in mind which task I gave. That means for example I gave the task in my previous class, so that date you will put and write down the answers. Similarly today I gave, that means you will put today's date is your 3rd July, then you will write down all the tasks. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts regarding these subjects, that means either English literature or English grammar, you can ask, you can message through WhatsApp. Okay, so I will take your query. I hope understood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Take more and more precaution, because nowadays the COVID-19, that is coronavirus, spreading more and more. In Chhatrapur also you can see the situation. So don't come outside for any reason. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy with your family.